Hey everyone, I'm Ashley from Career in STEM. I wanted to start you off today by first defining STEM. So maybe you've heard of STEM, maybe you even know that it's an acronym that stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. But what I wanted to share with you today is something you may not know, which is that to me, and hopefully to you by the end of this video, STEM is a mindset. It's so much more than science, technology, engineering, and math. More than anything, STEM is a mindset, a way of thinking, a way of processing and interpreting your world, your place in it, and how you can make it better. So I have an example to show you what I mean. I have two little kids and this is one of their toys. And I'm going to use it today to show you what I mean by STEM as a mindset. So a normal person would just see this and say, okay, this is a cool toy. Maybe they'd play around with it, they'd do something with it, just kind of play around. But a STEM professional would see this and approach this through STEM as a mindset. So maybe they'd say things like, what are all the ways I can make right angles with this? What are all the different types of household materials I could try to replicate with this? What are all the different types of shapes I can make with this? So a STEM professional uses STEM as a mindset to look at life in a much more creative way. So you might be thinking, yes, Ashley, I see how STEM can kind of relate to this toy, but how can STEM as a mindset relate to my life? Well, here's how. STEM as a mindset will help you turn everything that happens to you, every single experience, into a learning experience. So rather than just saying something like, oh man, I'm so bored in English class right now, you could say that, but the STEM mindset within you would then say, well, that's true, but what can I learn from this that's going to help me in my future? What do I not want to do now that I know based on what's happening to me? So one more example, then hopefully you'll see how powerful STEM as a mindset can be. Maybe it is an after-school program, maybe it's sports. And you might think that doesn't really have anything to do with STEM as a mindset. Well, yes it does. Because if you're using STEM as a mindset, remember, everything that's happening to you is a learning experience. So maybe as you're playing sports, you're learning and realizing and being aware through STEM as a mindset that you're developing leadership skills, that you're developing teamwork skills. All of these things are what STEM as a mindset can do for you to help you turn every experience into a learning experience. So that's my definition of STEM. It's much more than science, technology, engineering, and math. It's a way of thinking, and my challenge to you after you watch this video for the rest of your day, try to turn every experience into a learning experience. Maybe start small. Maybe try this on for size. Try to do it just one time before the end of the day. Then tonight, think about it, see how it went. And then every day, try to add more STEM as a mindset work to your life and watch yourself succeed in the amazing opportunities that STEM fields have for you. Bye everyone, hope you found this helpful.